Business is like starting to run a marathon when you're out of shape and then having to get in shape while you're running the marathon without resting or knowing how far away the finish line is, or if there's even a finish line at all. Business is hard every step of the way. And I think the hardest part of all of it is the uncertainty that all of your sacrifice will be for nothing, that we give up everything now for nothing later. You have to remember the life that you walked away from to pursue your dream, and you realize there's no going back to that. And so you just keep going.
That's like telling people everything is hard. Entrepreneurship is hard, business is hard, so you shouldn't start. No, it's not like that. Well, there are so many feel-good content. Let me write it down. Feel-good content that gives you good feeling. That, hey, you can do it, you can do it. Alex Hormozi came out with something different. That's how he stands out. He's unique and his message is unique. Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. He doesn't want to give you a feel-good content saying, yeah, you can do it. Definitely you can do it. But when you start doing it because, yeah, you can do it, and then you hit the hard, all of a sudden you say, I didn't sign up for that. And your next option is quit and try something else, and you will hit hard again. The ultimate result will be go back to 9 to 5. Do you like 9 to 5? If you don't like 9 to 5, I have a better opportunity. I have a 99% done for you program for 9 to 5ers or busy business owners, busy parents, busy people like yourself. These are similar people like yourself. They earn and earning this kind of commissions, passive affiliate commissions. However, before I even tell you what it is not a get rich quick scheme. I am a big fan of Alex Hormozi. I believe in get things done. I believe in reality, and I'm telling you the truth. This is not a get rich quick scheme, and it cannot be. I am not at all associated with any kind of promise that you are going to become the next billionaire yesterday, because unfortunately that's not how it works. The way it works is first you learn just like these people, and for that you may go to moshbari.com, you may click the link in the description or click the link in the bio, or keep watching Alex Hormozi podcasts. I don't know, podcasts won't teach you anything. They will give you some kind of feel good information, but this training in this moshbari.com link will, a link in the description or link in the bio, it will give you the complete picture of our business, how we run digital marketing business, sell digital products online. And these guys earn these commissions with a 99% done for you program. You can learn everything from one video, how we run our business and how we help beginner 9 to 5ers or busy business folks earn these commissions, and you can do it too. But for that, you need to watch that video. Go ahead, watch the training video, and if you think this is the best of the best program and you should join it right here, right now, go join the program and start. But if you think you have questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram or on Facebook, and I will answer all your questions. That being said, now there is no excuse that you cannot start. You have a 99% done for you option. So we can continue talking about the hard and try to make it easy. Now, whether you go back to 9 to 5 or you quit or you go back to the hard life and continue your entrepreneur's journey, it is not going to be easy, but it's going to be simple. Let's say, for example, you start a side hustle today. And unfortunately, this hasn't been easy. It is hard. But this side hustle is something that you enjoy a lot. Now, although this is hard, this will also bring you fun and pleasure. Now, this enjoyment and this fun will keep you going. For example, my journey with software developments, and now AI is here. We integrate AI in our softwares and we make money from those softwares. Here is an example. A couple of days back, I built a software. Super simple, but it solves a problem. Put a YouTube video link here, click generate transcript. It will generate transcript for you. You can use it in different places and turn it into different kind of content, but I do something else. I use it for fact check. I have done the fact check of this video, and here is what it says. Everything that Alex Hormozi said is not 100% true. For example, businesses like starting to run a marathon when you are out of shape and then having to get in shape while you are running the marathon without resting or knowing how far the finish line is. Yeah, it's partially true because running a business can be really hard and confusing like running a marathon without training, but unlike a marathon, you can take breaks and learn as you go. There is usually a goal or finish line, even if it changes along the way. That's perfect. So you don't have to 100% agree with Alex. You can take a different point of view, and my AI software is giving you that. The second one, business is hard every step of the way. And I think the hardest part of all is the uncertainty that all of your sacrifice will be for nothing. This is also partially true according to AI, because business can be tough and uncertain, but not every step is hard. Many people find parts they enjoy or get help with. Hard work often pays off, even if things don't go as promised. And the third one is false, that we give up everything now for nothing later. Now, it is false. We do not give up everything now for nothing later. Usually, when we give up something now, is to get something better in the future, like studying instead of playing to get good grades. Giving up everything for nothing wouldn't make sense. That is true. That's not all. AI has also given me a nice acronym that I can use to create my unique video. And that's exactly what I'm doing. There are 7 steps in Alex Hormozi's video. Now, it's a bit wild. 7 steps for a 33-second video. But let me go through one by one, and you'll understand the depth of this 33-second video. This is the step where people stop or quit. This is the place where people don't do because they think it's not required. And this is where people make money. And you're going to make money, inshallah, as well. Let's go.
Business is like starting to run a marathon when you're out of shape and then having to get in shape while you're running the marathon without resting or knowing how far away the finish.
Pick your passion. It stands for pick your passion, and only run a marathon if you're passionate about it. And it's literally impossible to run a marathon without being passionate. Business is similar. Although your passion may not be the best business, but you will have to find some passion in it in order to be able to run it like a marathon.
Finish line is, or if there's even a finish line at all. Business is hard every step of the way. And I think the hardest part of all of it is the uncertainty that all of your sacrifice will be for nothing, that we give up everything now for nothing later.
It could end up in nothing. That's an uncertainty. It's not good. So don't fail to assess your time, because although you're running a marathon, you don't have unlimited time. If it is 1 hour per day, you need to stay consistent. And remember, you can only stay consistent when you are passionate about it, and that's why you need a passion.
Certainty that all of your sacrifice will be for nothing, that we give up everything now for nothing later. You have to remember the...
Well, this part also says that nonsense is okay. It cannot be correct 100% of the time. And there is no problem if you are not 100% right. You will make mistakes, and that is okay. Most people fail to understand this and quit. They make a mistake, results are delayed, and they quit. But hey, nonsense is okay. Don't worry about it. Make mistakes. Keep moving forward, because remember, you are passionate about it. If you're not passionate about it, you can't do it.
Life that you walked away from to pursue your dream, and you realize there's no going back to that.
What does that sound like? It sounds like creating a plan so you can push forward and you don't have to go back. Most people do not create a plan, do not have a goal, so they don't know where they're going. Marathon runners don't have a goal. They just know that they have to finish. But in business, you must have some goals, some stops. When you hit that goal, you will be re-energized and you can run for the next stop. Another type of people have outrageous goals. Goals that they know that they're never going to hit because they don't believe in it. No, man, not that kind of stuff. Create a plan based on what you think that you can achieve. Now we're coming to the money part.
Dream, and you realize there's no going back to that. And so you just keep going.
The money comes from not doing it alone. Ask for help. You'll see Alex doing podcasts with different people every day. So he takes help from podcasters who may work as an affiliate or just collab to help each other. Both of their audience start following the both. This way they both grow. In one of his old videos, Alex mentioned that he stopped using Facebook ads. Instead, he started using affiliates to promote his stuff. Affiliate marketing. If you want to recruit affiliates, that's asking for help. Hey, promote my program, promote my product, and you will get certain percentage commission for sale. You will get additional bonus for hitting some milestones. Alex takes help from his wife. So yes, you need passion. Yes, you need to assess your time and work consistently. It's okay to make mistakes, but keep pushing. Create a plan even if you don't know where you're going. Do you see, there are lots of uncertainty in the whole process. Without asking for help, without actually getting help, it's impossible to succeed. And if you think you need help, you can start with our 99% done for you program. The first step is 100% free. Watching a free video. Go to this website, moshbari.com, or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio and watch the free video training. In that free video, we will show you how we run our digital marketing business using AI and automation, and how we help beginner 9-to-5ers and business owners like these guys, like yourself, earn this kind of high-ticket affiliate commissions. And after watching the training, if you think that's the best of the best program ever, join the program and start immediately. But if you have more questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. For more money training, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.